Today, I came to prune a pine tree that's about 2 meters tall. At this height and shape, the work takes more time than most people expect. When the lawn care season ends around October, I start doing tree work, pruning, trimming, and removals from November. Pine pruning can be done any time of the year, but one usually starts when the cold wind begins to blow. At this time of year, the tree's canopy begins to close up, so pruning causes less stress or damage to the tree. The amount of waste after pruning was quite a lot, about 3 75-liter bags. That means the tree is now carrying much less weight, which reduces its overall fatigue, restoring airflow, cleaning up the growth points. And that's how I wrapped up today's work.